So for this recipe, you're going to need frozen salmon. So I'm just going to open the packet. I'm then just gonna line the bottom of my air fryer basket with some parchment paper for easier cleaning. So you can do this if you prefer. You can also use aluminum foil. We're then going to grease the air fryer basket. I'm just using some regular cooking oil, olive oil. You can use cooking spray if you prefer. Just make sure it's non-aerosol, which can be damaging to the air fryer basket. We're going to preheat the air fryer. I'm preheating the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius. That's approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to preheating for 5 minutes. I'm using a Ninja Foodie Max Dual Zone air fryer. Make sure to preheat according to the instructions that come with your specific brand of air fryer. I like to soak my salmon in water as I do the rest of the prep and as the air fryer preheats, but that's totally optional. You can skip this step if you prefer. I find doing this also kind of helps with the thawing of the fish. Next, we just want to make sure the fish is nice and dry before cooking. So I'm just gonna pat it dry using a kitchen towel on both sides. I'm then going to make the honey and mustard sauce for the salmon. A tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of honey, you can also use maple syrup in place of honey. This adds a touch of sweetness. And then for the acidity, you want to use the juice of half a lemon, or if you're using a small lemon as I am, then the juice of 1 small lemon. And we're just going to start to combine. Start by brushing the honey and mustard on top of the fish. You're then going to season the fish with salt and pepper. Carefully place your fish inside the air fryer basket with the skin side down. And just be careful because it's hot. Air fry this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so approximately 200 degrees Celsius, for 8 to 9 minutes, depending on how thick your salmon is. And what this does is that it defrosts the fish. Once this initial time is up, you just want to season the fish with salt and pepper and the mustard sauce. Reserve any remaining sauce for serving later. We're then going to air fry this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes. Now that we've established that the salmon is cooked, we're just going to transfer it to a plate, garnish it with chopped parsley, top with the remaining sauce. You can also use your favorite herbs such as oregano or dill. Just go for what you like. And the fish is a bit charred because of the honey, so that's totally okay. It gives it even extra flavor. And to serve, we're just gonna drizzle the remaining sauce on top and garnish it with chopped parsley. And as you can see, the salmon is done. It stays flaky and moist, and it's ready to serve. Store your leftover fish in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days.